So I want to talk to you folks a little bit about an app called MuvMi. You see, MuvMi is a lot like Grab, Bolt, or Uber, except everything's done in an electric tuk-tuk. I've been looking to try to find how to actually use this app online, and nobody has given me a good video yet. Fairly simple to use. You set up your credit card inside of the app, and then it works in section zones. The coverage of each one of these zones is actually quite large, and this app is incredibly affordable. Unless, of course, we're going across the lines of the zones that they have available, then we're going to either use Grab or Bolt, depending on which one's more affordable. Oftentimes it's Bolt. I think everybody's just using Grab at this point, and the surcharge fees are absolutely insane. But to give you an example, from our hotel here, we're staying at the Sand Hotel Sathorn. We posted a video up over here somewhere about it if you want to see what the hotel looks like. But for us to get to Icon Siam, which is like a 12-minute walk, it was like 120 baht, maybe even a little bit more, 130 baht, and then it goes even higher than that after surcharges for 2 people. Or if we just took a MuvMi, which is the electric tuk-tuk service, which is 1, unbelievably fast, 2, eco-friendly, no fumes, and 3, they are good drivers, and you'll get to your spot on time, if not earlier. The price was only like 38 baht. I think the main source of transportation that we use here is MuvMi. So, yeah, excellent app. Can't recommend it enough.
Just open up your map, choose a pickup point, choose where you're going, and then there you go. If it's blacked out or grayed, that means it's not running at that time or that spot is just not available. What I would recommend is check the closing time for certain spots as well. For example, let's say I was going to in front of this entrance here, it's only open from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m., so I have to be attentive of that. And another great thing is you can rate your trip and rate the driver. I absolutely love this app a whole bunch, and I am constantly picking it up to see what areas of town that I can go to on of MuvMi. Honestly, there is no better feeling in the world than hopping on the back of an electric tuk-tuk and just zooming through all of the Bangkok streets. I can't recommend this app enough. I'm not being paid to say this. This is just coming from the heart. I love the MuvMi. This is a great app. This is the 3rd app that I installed out here in Bangkok, and it's truly a lifesaver for me. So let's recap. Step 1, order your tuk-tuk on MuvMi. Step 2, wait for the driver and scan the QR code once you get into the tuk-tuk. Step 3, zip zap zoop over to your location where you want to be dropped off. And remember, if you're not in one of those designated zones that MuvMi is operating, I'd recommend just taking the BTS, MRT, or maybe a Grab or Bolt over to where you can take it. Using MuvMi as a tool is an excellent way to get around the city and save quite a bit of money. And of course, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a subscribe down below. It'll mean the world to us. We're doing a ton of content out here in Bangkok, Thailand, and yeah, we'd like to show you around a little bit. Oh, and another great thing about this app is there's no negotiating. The price is just the price. It's like Uber or Grab or Bolt. I mean, I'm sure you've all heard of these horror stories of people getting scammed by tuk-tuk drivers. Here, there's no worry of that whatsoever, and I think that's really awesome. Not saying that all tuk-tuk drivers are bad by any means. I'm just saying that, it's got a bad rap nowadays, and this will hopefully clean it up a little bit.
We're going to be doing guides around here, places to eat, places to stay, and showing you a little slice of life here in Bangkok, Thailand. More on the nerdy side, I guess, of things, and more on the shopping side. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. But yeah, this isn't a paid ad or anything. I just really, really like this app, and I was online trying to find how to use this app, and nobody could tell me. Not a single person could tell me how this app worked. And I did not understand the zoning areas. Bye for now.